Welcome! In this video, we will look at the new navigation framework called GoTo that allows you to open any report from anywhere in the product. This framework facilitates easy discovery of reports, handling of interruptions, and enables to hold in-progress transaction to create a new one. Consider a situation where you are entering a purchase transaction and your manager asks for a stock summary report. From the voucher screen, press Alt-G, search for stock summary and press Enter to view the report. Print the report for him. Press Escape to return to the purchase transaction, which will be in the same state as you left. Continue recording and save. Or you are entering a POS invoice and your customer walks away to pick up more items. And the next customer is eagerly waiting to bill. Press Alt-G. The current transaction will be put on hold. Select Create Voucher in the GoTo list. Bill the next customer and save. You will go back to the previous voucher that was put on hold with all details intact. Continue and save. Or you want to know the credit value of a vendor while recording a payment transaction. Press Alt-G and open Outstanding Report. In a similar way, you can handle any interruption. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.